Our word for today comes from the root that gives you vanish, disappear, Venus, which also gives you vain. When you say something is in vain, it means it is futile. It does not have longevity. It is like a temporary thing. It is going to disappear. It's going to be a waste, vain, vanity, vanish. Vanish gives us the word for today. Anything that is temporary, short lasting, is not going to remain forever. You more or less know that it is going to disappear. You're not even uncertain about it. All of these things, temporary, short lasting, as I said, these are called evanescent. The temporary nature, and when I say temporary, technically there is no cutoff. Even human life is temporary if you live for 120 years, but that's a very sad way of looking at things, right? So let's not call human life temporary. Rather, let's focus on the other things that are temporary. Joys could be temporary, sorrows should be temporary, failures are always temporary. All of these things that will go away over a period of time, you call them evanescent. That property of being short-lived, transient, is evanescence. A synonym of the word, over and above all the words that I've given you till now, a synonym of the word comes from the Greek name of the fruit fly. The fruit fly is a little fly that lives for only 24 hours. That fruit fly in Greece, in Greek language, old Greek language, was called an ephemera, which is why anything that is evanescent, transient, short-lived, temporary, those things are also called ephemeral. Usages, I think you will find a lot. You can talk about any phase. You must have heard that very famous adage, this too shall pass. That is a classic ode to the fact that problems in your life are always going to be evanescent. Happiness and joy does not have to be evanescent. You can keep it as long as you want, because if you want to be happy, nobody can stop you from being happy. So let's take all the negativity and remember that all of it is evanescent, and everything else, all of the positivity, is going to be permanent.